Hello, my name is Venom. I'm a professional makeup artist who went to years, decades even, of schooling for makeup. I've already done the base, so you can skip the boring part. Now we're going to do the interesting part, adding color and texture. Take bronzer, this one, contour, shake it off, like a tan, but only for your bones. You're going to want to make sure you prepare your products beforehand. Ooh. Now we're going to go straight to the lips. This is really dark. You're going to want to make sure you use a highly pigmented product. If you make a mistake, the world government can come and find you and punish you for your horrible infractions. That's called confidence. That was made up by me, Venom. Confidence, along with micro cooking. Kylie Jenner lip kit for eyes. Paint a beautiful picture on our model. Let's give you an exciting brow. Exciting. Look at this! One down, one to go. I'm about to make a layup on your ass. Look at this eyebrow. Blue! Blue! Or is it green? Eyebrows are cousins, not twins. Just why that looks beautiful! Next, the eyes. Don't forget which color you picked. Sparkly magic. Slowly but surely we will achieve the pigment that we desire. This is really gonna just make her shine on a sunny day. No brush is wrong. Put product on your hand first so that you don't scare your model. Totally do that. There's no fear. Nice and gentle, people. If you stab your client or model, there goes your business. And here at Venom Makeup Academy, we do not want people going out of business. If they go out of business, they don't come to my school. A real sharp one for this. I'm gonna take some dark pigment. Make sure you get right up in the trenches there. These little follicles, those bug wings, make sure that they're covered. Use this blush with this fun brush. Yeah, can even test it. See, it looks beautiful. We're gonna go full throttle with this highlighter. See that? Shimmery. Just get that. And use You're gonna want to highlight key points on your model's face. And then right up in here a little bit. Give that under eye a nice glow. But you don't want to overwhelm other people looking at her. If they squint, that's just enough. There's no such thing as too much highlighter. Except there is, because I just told you there is. That was a test. Good job. If your brush is dirty, like this one is with that dark blush that we use, gently massage it onto your skin. It's nice and gentle. My skin is now discolored. The brush is not clean. You should invest in gold, children. You know what? There's a helpful link that we'll put below. It talks about stocks, the bull market, the cow market. Take a look. Invest. So again, we're just going to do this wonderful trick. On my hands, it's nice blue. Put it on a brush. Brush is blue. Not blending well, you can use a clean brush. If your brush is clumpy, throw it out. If you're running out of product, pour some water on your hand, mix it up with the brush, and magically, just like soap, a little bit more will happen. Next is mascara. We're not out of the tunnel yet. I'm trying not to scare my model, but my appearance is intimidating. You want an extra sharp point tip. If you don't have a great atmosphere in your room, they're not going to want to get their makeup done by you. So guys, let's take this out. We're going to do a face tour of our model. You can see the blush, bronzer, the highlight on her eyes. We've got gold, nice, pretty blue lipstick. Got this beautiful wing. Eyebrows are blocky, bold, solid, structured like a building. Nothing can take this girl down. No earthquake or tsunami. Now my student will do my makeup as practice. You'll almost be as good as me someday. This is the face that my student gave me. We do have a few critiques. I think you could have learned something from the way that I structured your brows. Really built them like a machine, which is what you want. You know, your blending was actually pretty good. Pretty proud of my student. The amount of progress in so little time, almost just as good as my job that I did on her face for a very, very cheap $79.99 a week. You can also take these classes to just